Very good morning. Today I'll show you an apartment in DLF Ultima. This is the lobby area where this is the lift area. And on the left hand side is this is the servant room. And I'm entering to the flat. As we enter, this is the guest room. AC is attached. The wardrobe, it is done by the builder only, and this is the exact flat which is available for sale. It has a balcony. The washroom is attached. The quality that they have used is of very good quality, and it is in sector 81. So total there are 4 VHK with a servant room, and it is very spacious. Now I'll show you the drawing and dining area. This is the drawing and dining area. Lights, fan, everything you'll get with the apartment only. This is in Tower J, 1 number unit. This is the balcony area. This is the outer view, means from the balcony of the main balcony. That one is the club, the small building which you are seeing. This refrigerator you get along with the flat only. Now I'll show you the kitchen. In kitchen also they have given you all the items like electric appliances and everything. This cupboard work, this microwave, oven, everything you'll get with the apartment only. It is a ready to move in flat and families are already living over here. This is the utility area, and this balcony is also attached with one of the bedroom. This is the VRV. In this apartment, it means cooling and heating both are there, as there is a VRV over here. Now I'll show you the bedrooms. So this is the second bedroom, and this cupboard work is already done. This is getting from the builder itself. AC is attached. The material and all, whatever they have used, are very good quality. This is the same balcony which was connected from the kitchen only, and it is almost connected to the highway very much, almost around 700. Now I'll show you the second bedroom. It is very spacious, everything like no. DLF maintain each and everything. Over here also cupboard work is done. So as you are getting the semi-furnished, in this interior work is done by the owner only, but now he want to sell this flat. AC is already attached over here. So it is one of the beneficial deal. Like you don't need to do anything. Washroom is there. This is the same balcony which was connected to the guest room and the drawing dining. Now this is the common washroom. Like this, all the work is done. This was done by the builder itself. Now I'll show you the master bedroom. It is very spacious. AC is attached. This is the closet area. Washroom is there, and it is very spacious. And it has means almost all the bedroom, kitchen, everywhere balcony is there. The area is 2792 square feet approx. So in future also there is no blockage over here. And the front unit towers are very small, so that the whole sunlight will come for the whole day. Now I'm going out of the... This also. This dressing table also you are getting. Means I guarantee you don't need to spend a penny even. Now I'm going out of the apartment. This also. Dining table also you are getting with this flat. This sofas and all, everything. So it is a fully furnished apartment. So the thing is that you also save a money, you also save the time, everything you save. Thanking you. Please subscribe my channel. Amit Agarwal.